Alright guys, back at fixing something again. This time it's this 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Xl. Wipers are not working. They're just in and out when it gets rainy and cold, and it starts getting really cold, -5 and under. It just stops working, like nothing works. Now when it's warmed up a little bit, now just the high speed works and no low speed. So first thing I did was you go into the fuse box here under the hood. There's a relay right there. That's the low relay for the low wiper, and then that one's the high. But so I bought another one. It was like 25 bucks just to see if that was the problem. That wasn't it. Fuses under the inside, they're good. So now I'm at the point where I gotta change the motor, I think. I bought myself another motor. This guy right here. We're gonna put that in. Start off by taking the bolts off of these wipers, and then I'll show you. Okay, so the whole thing back there, that whole plastic thing that you got to take off after you take the wipers off, is held on by a couple of grommets. Now these grommets, you can't pop them off with a flathead screwdriver, you'll just break them. So they might be dirty, clean them off, and what they have is this little button on them. If you can see that, see that button in the middle? You need to push that in. See that? What that does is it releases this thing, and then you can pop it out with a flathead. And you push it back in, these things widen and they get stuck. So that one. There's one right there. There's another one there. There's a couple of them. There's also this guy here. You got to actually it's got a screw on it. You got to undo that, and then this whole thing should pop off. But just good to know that you need to have a little button you got to push in. Okay, so you're gonna have to take this thing off too. I got all the plastic grommets out, and then you got to take. There's 3 plastic grommets here to pull this thing off, so that now you can take this whole thing off. All right, so we got this thing out. Now once you get this out, there you have your motor and the wiper transmission parts. Okay, so I got her out. Here, can you hold this?
Just pointed at it?
Yeah. Okay, so I got her out. These bolts to get it, there's 3 bolts. They are a T30. So if you have a T30 bit, I'll show you what it looks like. That is a T30. There you go. That's the old motor. New motor. We're going to make sure, double check it before we put it back together. Alright guys, we got it going now. New motor is the trick. As you can see, I'm in low right now.
Yep.
Everything's working good. Also threw a little bit of grease on there, lithium grease, just while I have it open, and that's it. We fixed it. Turns out it wasn't a relay, it was a motor, the more expensive fix.
I showed them the grease and everything.